Most Wisconsin homeowners think roofing problems are about damaged shingles. But that misunderstanding is exactly why some roofs start falling apart after a few years, while others survive brutal Wisconsin winters, the snow loads, the hail, the ice dams. Here's the truth. Your shingles are only one piece of the system. And if what's underneath them fails, then even the most expensive shingles in the world won't save your home. So today, I want to show you what actually makes a roofing system built for Wisconsin, the right materials, how they work together, and why the difference between a roof that looks good and a roof that's engineered to last matters so much in a climate like ours. Before we get into it though, just a quick reminder, if you're in Wisconsin and you'd like help figuring out the best solution for your roof, click the link in the description and schedule a call with us here at Wisconsin Exteriors. We'll walk you through your options, answer your questions honestly, and help you make the best long-term decision. Okay, let's get into the video. And let me start by telling you a story. A few years ago, we inspected a home after a major storm. The homeowner had thought they had a premium roof because the shingles looked good from the street. But once we got up there, it was a completely different story. Poor ventilation, cheap underlayment, ice and water protection missing in the critical areas, and moisture trapped throughout the attic. The shingles weren't the problem, but the system underneath the shingles had already failed. And that's what most contractors never take the time to explain to homeowners. Very few actually walk you through how the entire roofing system works together, especially in a climate like Wisconsin's, where your roof faces almost everything: heavy snow, freeze-thaw cycles, ice dams, high winds, hail, humidity, and rapid temperature changes. So before we talk about shingles specifically, it's critical to understand that a good roof is never just about the top layer. Imagine if you bought an expensive truck, but put worn-out tires, weak brakes, and a cheap suspension underneath it. Would it really perform like a premium vehicle? Of course not, and roofing works exactly the same way. So let's break down the full system, starting from the bottom up with the underlayment. Most homeowners never even see this layer, but it's one of the most important things on your home. If wind-driven rain or ice gets underneath the shingles, the underlayment is what protects the wood decking below. And in Wisconsin winters, that matters enormously. That's why at Wisconsin Exteriors, we use premium synthetic underlayments and ice and water barriers specifically designed to resist moisture, prevent leaks, and protect the vulnerable areas of the roof, especially around valleys, eaves, penetrations, and the spots where ice dams most commonly form. Because here's something a lot of homeowners don't realize: ice dams aren't just a roof problem. They happen because heat escapes improperly from the living space into the attic, warms the roof deck, and melts snow unevenly. That meltwater runs down toward the cold edges of the roof and then refreezes, forming the ice dam. So the real cause is almost always an insulation or ventilation issue inside the home, not the roofing material itself. So next up, let's talk about ventilation. Proper attic ventilation helps regulate temperature and moisture year-round. In winter, it reduces ice dam formation by keeping the roof deck cooler and more consistent. In summer, it reduces the excessive attic heat that can literally bake shingles from underneath. That's why for our clients, we often install complete ventilation systems, including ridge vents, designed to create proper airflow across the entire roof line, compared to what some companies do, where they randomly throw a few vent pieces onto a roof. A properly designed ridge vent system continuously pulls hot, moist air out of the attic while drawing fresh air in through the soffits below. That airflow can dramatically improve how long your roof lasts. So if a longer lasting roof sounds interesting to you, then click the link below this video now to book a call with us. We'll walk you through exactly what to look for in a roofing company so you can make the right decision for you and your family. All right, next up, let's talk about the layer everyone actually notices: the shingles. At Wisconsin Exteriors, we use GAF roofing materials and specifically two standout options for Wisconsin weather: the Timberline HDZ and the Timberline Armor Shield 2, GAF's Class 4 impact resistant shingle. The HDZ is already an excellent architectural shingle. It's durable, it's attractive, it carries a 130 miles per hour wind rating, and it performs extremely well in Wisconsin conditions. But if you want the highest level of protection against hail and storm impact, that's where the AS2 comes in. Class 4 impact resistance is the highest rating available under the UL 2218 test standard, the toughest impact test for asphalt shingles. These shingles are engineered to better resist hail and storm impacts compared to standard shingles. And in hail-prone areas like Wisconsin, they can also qualify homeowners for insurance discounts, which is worth asking your insurer about. Naturally, no roof is indestructible, and we'll always be straight with you about that. But these shingles are designed for significantly greater durability in severe weather. And for Wisconsin homeowners, that difference can matter a great deal over the lifetime of a roof. And here's something I genuinely like about them. It's not just the protection, they look fantastic too. Homeowners shouldn't have to choose between durability and curb appeal, and with these, you don't have to. But when choosing shingles, here's something important to keep in mind. Don't compare shingles, compare systems, because here's where a lot of homeowners accidentally make a costly mistake. They shop roofing projects almost entirely on price. And I understand why. A roof replacement is a major investment, but the cheapest option up front almost never equals the best long-term value. In fact, some of the most expensive roofing jobs we see started as a cheap option because corners were cut, inferior materials were used, the installation quality suffered, or the system wasn't designed properly for the home, and the homeowner ends up paying for it again later. So don't just compare shingles, compare entire roof systems. That means comparing the warranties, the installation standards, the ventilation design, the communication, the workmanship, and the long-term trust. Because the company you choose matters just as much as the materials themselves. This is something we take seriously at Wisconsin Exteriors. We focus on communication, transparency, and making sure homeowners genuinely understand what they're getting and why every step of the way. Most homeowners don't replace their roof more than once or twice in their lives. So we understand this is a big decision and that homeowners deserve clear guidance. If you're currently researching roofing options, dealing with storm damage, or just wondering whether your roof is genuinely built to handle Wisconsin weather, this is exactly what we help homeowners with every day at Wisconsin Exteriors. Click the link below this video and book a call with us. We'll walk you through the materials, the system design, the warranty options, and what actually makes sense for your specific home. No pressure and no obligation to move forward, just honest guidance from people who do this every single day. Hopefully you got value from this video. Thanks for watching today, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Take care.